It's a beautiful afternoon here in the farm. The rain just stopped. All my livestock are in here. I got Milo here. Hello Milo, how are you? Milo, he's guarding our chooks here. Livestock and everything, including Luna. Luna, Luna, come here darling, come here darling. Hey Luna, how are you darling? Hey, come. So this is Luna here. She'll about to deliver in 7 days. She's pregnant. Ooh, it's heavy. Hey, big tummy Luna. So right now she's preparing the, shall we call it, the brood area where she will deliver the pups. They're all rushing towards the food. Luna is very protective with the food. Luna, leave it, darling. Stay, leave it, leave it, leave it. So the goats wants to eat as well. Sit down, Luna. Sit down. Sit. Hey, Luna, Luna. That's all right, darling. Leave it, darling. Darling, leave it. I allow some goats to eat the bread, but mostly they just eat grass. But now I'm letting them eat. They'll only eat just enough for them. Not too much because it's already night time and they already had all the grass that they need. Shepherd here watching. That's Donna. Donna, how are you, darling? Hey, Cleo. 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 Donna, leave it, darling. Leave it, sweetheart. Leave it. She listens. She knows that. Thank you so much for watching on our video, and if you want to be updated on our future videos, just don't forget to subscribe
and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!